So guys, now let's go back to our player controller script. So we need the two functions here. First for the flipping to the right and flipping to the left. So here I'm going to use pun RPC, then void flip right, and also let's copy that, or just let's here sr dot flip x is equal to true. Or for flipping right, we don't need to be true, it's just be false. So now I can just copy that, paste it, and instead of right, I'm going to put the left, and false need to be true. And this is one way of doing that. The other way to do that is using the local scale. For example, if we want, we can use the play anim.transform.local scale is equal to new vector t1, 1, 1. And when we want to flip it, we use instead of 1 to minus 1, 1, 1. But the SR flip X is for our object is now the best because it's a sword, but if it was shooting, then it was better when we are going to use the local scale. So now let's go to our movement. Let's finish that part. Now that we have the flipping, here we can say if our X value is not null, that means if our X value is bigger than 0 or less than 0, here also we need to use the OR. And then if our Y is also is not equal to 0 as well, then we want to go to walk animation. So player anim dot set bool, and name of that bool was mover. Be sure that you use the exact name and to make it true. So now I'm going to show you here. Be sure that you use the same alphabet like here. So next things that we need to do is, so we rotate that, but still something that we are going to miss is to rotate into flipping the player. Now when as soon as the X value is not 0 or the Y value is not 0, we are going to also move animation. So now let's here make another uh, if function. Yeah, let's here make if X is bigger than 0, then we want to flip to the right. But because it's a multiplayer, we need to get access to our photon view dot RPC. We need a name of function was flip right. Just copy that, put it there, and I want that other player also see that we are going to flip and not just ourselves. So RPC target dot all. So Now else, if the x is less, then we want to do the opposite. That means here we are going to copy that, paste it here. Instead of flip right, we are going to use the flip left. So be sure that is also the same as here. So now this is the movement, but what when the player is not moving? So we need to stop this pull, because if we not, then always we are going to the move animation. So here is else, that means when the x and y are 0, then here play anim.set pull. So just let's copy that line, paste it here, and instead of true, I'm going to change it to false. So now when I'm going to save it and going back to the game, it should work. But we are not able to flip because we need first to do some other stuff that we will be able to flip our player. But now the working is work, and so in the next part we are going to work on the attack function. And also no worry, if you can't flip, this is not a big deal, because later we are going to work on with the instantiating the player in our scene, and in that time it's going to work out. So see you now in the next video. Even if I'm going to show you here, you can see that it cannot also flip the player. Yeah. In the next video, we are going to work on the attack function. See you in the next video.